In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repost a video on TikTok. If you've ever watched a TikTok and thought, oh, my friends need to see this, the repost feature is the quickest way to share it without downloading or creating your own post. Reposting boosts the original creator while letting your followers discover the same clip right from their feeds. It's simple, fast, and built right into the app. First, open TikTok on your device and make sure you're signed into the account you want to use. Give the app a second to load your For You feed so everything runs smoothly. If you're on a slower connection, waiting a moment helps the buttons and visuals appear correctly. Next, find the video you want to share. You can choose something from your For You page, your Following tab, or search for a specific topic if you have something in mind. Let the video play for a few seconds so the on-screen controls settle in and you can clearly see the interactive icons. Now for the key move, look for the yellow circle icon that represents the repost feature. On most versions of the app, this icon is clearly highlighted in yellow and may show a small looping arrow design, signaling that it's meant for resharing. When you're confident you're on the right video, tap that yellow circle. TikTok will immediately mark the video as reposted, and you'll typically see a short confirmation on screen. That's it. The video has been shared to your audience in a way that credits the original creator. A few quick tips to make this work even better for you. Reposting is best for content that genuinely fits your vibe or interests, since your followers are more likely to engage with it. If you're curating your profile, think of reposts as a way to highlight creators you enjoy and topics you care about. Also, interface designs can change with app updates. So if the yellow circle looks slightly different or shifts position on your screen, keep an eye out for a similarly styled yellow repost indicator. Remember, reposting doesn't copy the video to your account. It simply amplifies the original. Your followers may see your repost in their feeds with a note that you shared it, which helps them discover new creators and trends, and that's all you need. Open TikTok, pick a video you like, and tap the yellow circle to repost. It's a quick, respectful way to share content you love while supporting the people who made it. Happy sharing, and enjoy curating your feed with reposts that truly